ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
أربعة وثمانون
84.
84.
الماضي 4
Past tense 4.
Past tense 4.
يقرأ
To read.
To read.
لقد قرأت للتو.
I read.
I read.
لقد قرأت كل الرواية.
I read the whole novel.
I read the whole novel.
يفهم
To understand.
To understand.
لقد فهمت للتو.
I understood.
I understood.
لقد فهمت كل النص.
I understood the whole text.
I understood the whole text.
يجيب
To answer.
To answer.
لقد أجبت للتو.
I answered.
I answered.
لقد أجبت على كل الأسئلة.
I answered all the questions.
I answered all the questions.
أنا أعلم هذا. لقد علمت هذا للتو.
I know that. I knew that.
I know that. I knew that.
أنا أكتب هذا. لقد كتبت هذا للتو.
I write that. I wrote that.
I write that. I wrote that.
أنا أسمع هذا. لقد سمعت هذا للتو.
I hear that. I heard that.
I hear that. I heard that.
أنا أحضر هذا. لقد أحضرت هذا للتو.
I'll get it. I got it.
I'll get it. I got it.
أنا آتي بهذا. لقد أتيت بهذا للتو.
I'll bring that. I brought that.
I'll bring that. I brought that.
أنا أشتري هذا. لقد اشتريت هذا للتو.
I'll buy that. I bought that.
I'll buy that. I bought that.
أنا أتوقع هذا. لقد توقعت هذا للتو.
I expect that. I expected that.
I expect that. I expected that.
أنا أشرح هذا. لقد شرحت هذا للتو.
I'll explain that. I explained that.
I'll explain that. I explained that.
أنا أعرف هذا. لقد عرفت هذا للتو.
I know that. I knew that.
I know that. I knew that.